Today I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to add professional pagination to contracts, reports, or any multi-page documents that didn't originally include page numbers. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document where you want to insert page numbers. This will open your file in the main workspace where you can begin editing. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This opens up all the editing tools available in Acrobat Pro DC, giving you access to various document modification options. In the left panel that appears, you'll see several editing choices. Click on Header and Footer, then select Add. This is where you'll control where your page numbers appear on each page of your document. Next, navigate to the Appearance Options section. Here's where things get interesting because you have complete control over placement. You can choose to insert page numbers in several locations: left header text, center header text, right header text, left footer text, center footer text, or right footer text. Most professional documents place page numbers in the center or right corner of the footer, but the choice is entirely yours based on your document's needs. Once you've selected your preferred location, click on that text field, then click Insert Page Number. This command tells Acrobat exactly where to place the numbering throughout your entire document. The page numbers will automatically update across all pages once you confirm your settings. Now let's customize the appearance of those page numbers. Navigate to Font, then click the drop-down menu below it to select your preferred font style. This ensures your page numbers match the overall typography of your document. If you want to change the size, click the drop-down menu beside Size and select your preferred text size. Larger documents or those meant for printing might benefit from slightly larger page numbers for better readability. Alternatively, if you want to change the font color, click the color picker right beside Size to select your preferred color. While black is standard, some documents might require colored page numbers to match branding or design requirements. Once you're satisfied with all your customization choices, click OK. This applies all your settings and inserts the page numbers throughout your document. Finally, in the upper right, click the Save button to preserve all these changes to your PDF file. And there you have it, your PDF document now has professional page numbers exactly where you wanted them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.